Welcome to ProMosaik Pakistan. ProMosaik Pakistan is the page of ProMosaik GROUP dedicated to Pakistan. The translation departments of ProMosaik GROUP, ProMosaik Translation, the Quality Translator, NBC, Rauhola, Menuuno and Workshop MT translate for you in and from the main languages spoken in Pakistan. The national language of the country is Urdu. The main regional languages are Punjabi, Saraiki, Pashto, Sindhi, Balochi. Our main areas of expertise when it comes to translation are technology, law, marketing, culture, patents, literature, social sciences, and medicine. ProMosaik Interlanguage offers online language courses to promote intercultural dialogue between Pakistan and the rest of the world. ProMosaik Children promotes the translation of fairy tales and fables from Pakistan into European languages to oppose discrimination and racism, and to promote a more peaceful and just world. ProMosaik LAPH offers the free publication of books and research papers written by Pakistani authors and researchers. ProMosaik Poetry overcomes language barriers by translating poetry from Pakistan into European languages. ProMosaik also offers 8-week internships in human rights and journalism translation. When it comes to Pakistan, ProMosaik focuses on promoting cultural exchange between Pakistan and the West on the one hand, and Pakistan and the rest of the Muslim world on the other hand. We look forward to hearing from you. Write to us, call our head office in Istanbul, or contact our partner in Pakistan via Skype, WhatsApp, or Telegram. You can also find ProMosaik on social media. Support our publication projects. Apply to join our team as a translator or writer. The coordinators of ProMosaik Pakistan are looking forward to hearing from you.